Hello everyone, my name is Markid and today we're in Minecraft 1.19.2 and I'm going to be showing you duplication glitches that still work. So it's going to be 2 duplication glitches, and just to show you that this is real, I'm starting a new world from scratch, so there's going to be no funny stuff, creating a new world. A lot of these duplication glitches are actually fake, they're just showing you something that's not really going to happen if you try it. So we're going from nothing, literally nothing, and I'm going to show you how to do it as fast as I can, basically. To keep this as short and simple as it can possibly be. Okay, and loading into the world, the first duplication glitch that we're going to be doing is the barrel dupe. Now this is one of the only duplication glitch methods that still works. It's been discovered like a really long time ago, 1.16 something, and the reason why it still works is basically that it works on a quirk of the Java engine which runs the game. I accidentally made 2 crafting tables. These glitches are just for Java. Anyways, we have a barrel right here, so what we're going to be doing is just first going into options, video settings, and then turning on basically all the settings to max. So MIP map levels, that's the good one, you want to have that on. Graphics on fancy, clouds on fancy, particles all, render distance, simulation distance, and bioblim all the way up to the max. And that's going to do is that's going to lag your game a lot. So you're going to see even my FPS is going to start to drop. We're on 75. And if you have a really high-end computer, it doesn't matter. It's still going to lag your game enough for it to work. So now what we do is save and quit the title. Let's wait for it, and then just go back into the same world. And we're gonna be putting all our items into the chest. There we go. So just sorry, into the barrel. So we're putting all of our items into the barrel, and then on our keyboard, Control Shift and Escape, press it at the same time, and then Task Manager pops up. You want to open this process. It's called Open JDK Platform Binary, and then we're right clicking it, End Task. Now what this is going to do is crash your game basically, and you might think that's not what we want, but that is exactly what we want, because this creates an error in the I guess the game code. And then what we're going to be doing is just starting the game back up, and our items should be duplicated. Now one thing that we have to do is wait for the this message. This is the error message. We have to wait for it to pop up and close it. I'm using T-Launcher, by the way, don't get concerned. This is it's going to work the same for you if you're using the normal Minecraft launcher. You still get an error message, and usually what happens is if you get an error message, that means that it worked. So let's just go back into the game and see our results. Okay, and before we go back in, let me just lower down the settings so we can actually see what we got. Okay, going back into the same world, and now I don't remember what exactly we had in our inventory, but it should be duplicated. I think it was some trees and some it was a crafting table. I know there was a crafting table, so let's see if we got the crafting table. And as you can see, we have 2 of everything that we had in our inventory. Now of course, if you had an inventory full of shulker boxes, this is 3 times 9. That's a lot of inventory spaces that you can duplicate. And this is a really powerful glitch. It only works on single player, so don't try doing it in multiplayer, sadly. But there is good news. I'm actually working with Coderex Gamer. He's a guy who made the shulker dupe last time, and we're working on porting it to 1.19.2. Don't know if it will be successful yet, but we're working on it, so you should be staying subscribed to get to find out. Anyways, let's move on to the second duplication glitch. So what you want to do for this one is open up another instance of Minecraft. So let's just then you want to just create a new profile. You don't have to have 2 Minecraft accounts or anything. This can just be a cracked account. I'm using T-Launcher because it's my preferred way to do it, but I'm sure there's ways to do it on the normal launcher as well. And if there isn't, then you can just download T-Launcher for free. I'm sure it's free. Anyways, let's wait for the other tab to load. Okay, so the other tab just loaded. So what we want to do is take our items from the barrel and save and quit the title. What this does is kind of creates a backup for the game to go to if something bad happens, and we're gonna make it do some pretty bad stuff soon. So okay, so while doing the second dupe, I accidentally deleted my inventory like 20 times. So make sure you do all the steps correctly. It just shows how delicate this dupe is. So what you want to do is open up your menu, go open to LAN, and then we're not going to enable cheats. So this is vanilla. Start a LAN world. And then with your fake account, what you want to do is go to multiplayer and then join the same game. Now, because this is hosted on the same computer, you can join it like it's a LAN game. And then what we're going to be doing is dropping our alternate account, all of our items. So we're going to be duping with these wooden swords because I don't have anything else. And now that he picks them all up, we're going to be saving and quit the title, just like that. And then open up the world back again. Let's do the same thing. You'll notice that all these loop dupe glitches include saving and opening the world back again. So open to LAN, start LAN world, and then we're joining it again. Refresh and join. Now on the left, it's the real account. On the right, it's the fake account. You can see we have the swords. What we're going to be doing is just dropping the swords back to our main account. And you might think that this doesn't really do anything. We still have the same amount of swords, but you'll see that when we save and quit the title like this, and then when we go back to the server, back to the server list and single player, and now with the fake account, we're going to be opening this survival world. So we used to be opening it on this account and then joining on LAN on this. Now it's the opposite. We're making it on this, and you can see that on this account, we expect to have no swords because it's the Alex account, but actually when we open to LAN, start LAN world, join, you can see that we actually have the wooden swords on both accounts now. So we have 2 times wooden swords, and that's the dupe glitch. You can do this with basically any item. It doesn't have to be wooden swords. It can be shulker boxes. You can do inventories at a time. I'm sure someone's going to find a way to do this with multiple players at a time. And as you can see, it works pretty much all the time. You don't have to lag your computer or anything for you that have really great computers and it doesn't lag. One thing to keep in mind is, just as I said, keep the thing in mind that if you mess up the order, you will delete all of your items. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I know it's been kind of short, no new duplication glitches. 1.19.2 really killed the dupe glitches, but as I said, I'm working on the shulker dupe with Coder X Gamer, maybe potentially someone else. If anyone can help, I'm willing to work. And let's get this done. Hopefully in the next patch we'll have some duplication glitches, maybe even for this one. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.